Wow, you guys. Here it is, the packaging. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another one of my videos. In today's video, we are doing another unboxing. As you guys can see from the title, we are doing another unboxing, and it is a Heath collaboration with Coach, and it is the Disney collection. And yes, I did film multiple videos of this collection. I did get different items, you guys, but I didn't want to put everything in one video. I wanted to make separate videos so the video wouldn't be so long. Also because I did get my packages in separate packages, and they arrived different days. I did want to wear the shirt for the videos. I only got one shirt, so you guys are gonna see me in this shirt. I'm gonna make use of it for these videos, okay? If you guys hear that noise in the background, it's my fan. I am melting, literally melting with the light on, and it's just hot. This California heat is whew. Anyways, probably if you guys live in another state that gets hotter, you guys are probably like, girl, calm down. But I've been a Cali girl forever, my entire life. So for me, when it's hot, it is hot, and I can't bear it. So I have my handy dandy little box cutter. If you guys like this box cutter, I got this box cutter. Ooh, look at me. Old school YouTube here, right? So I got this box cutter. It is super nice. It is very compact, very light, and I love it. It is so cute. I needed a box cutter, as you guys know in my previous videos. If you guys have been watching me from the beginning, which is not that long ago, if you guys have been watching my previous videos, like, I be struggling, girl, with those scissors. All right, you guys, so we are going to cut. Are you ready? I do get nervous because I'm like, what if I cut my bag or something, you know? But this is why we got this box cutter, because it's not as big as the, ooh, girl, this is intense. Wow. Okay, it works. For $175. Did you guys know Daiso now charges $175? Where was I don't know. I mean, I don't know how long ago that happened, but the last time I went, which probably is gonna date when I went, but they were still $150, and then all of a sudden now they're $175. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box. Okay. Wow, you guys, thing we see here, it is the packaging of this beautiful wrapping paper, or tissue paper should I say, and it has the Coach logo on it. I haven't seen this tissue paper in a very long time. I used to buy Coach years ago as well, when it used to be popular back then. It just made a comeback, which I love. But back then, they actually used to give you this tissue paper and gift boxes for free. And I love the tissue paper because they used to have the logo on it. So now that I see that it has tissue paper, definitely it came from a store. So yeah, it is not factory packaged, which is a bummer. I always love getting my packages or my bags factory packaged, just because the experience of unpackaging everything and just knowing that you're the first person that opened the bag, touched the bag for the very first time before, you know. But I just like to know that my bag is completely pristine and in great condition. Now I am going to be looking for imperfections. So alright, beautiful tissue paper. I definitely will be saving that. All right, you guys, so this is what the bag looks like. I took off the tissue paper, and you can right away see the bag, so definitely not factory packaged, but sneak peek what the bag looks like. And this is large. So I did order the red one. I do have a video on that. If I haven't posted it before this one, then there should be a video coming up about the red Mollie Tote. So this tote is actually called the Mollie Tote, and it is the Disney, Mickey Mouse, and Keith Haring Mollie Tote bag. So it is in the color chalk, and I got it for $130 with 88 cents. Alright, so the retail for this bag says $498. Of course, I got it from the good old dandy Coach Outlet website. So the thing about the Coach Outlet website, when you purchase something from the Coach Outlet website, usually it comes factory packaged and all, but when they don't have it at the factory, they tend to send it from a store. When it comes from a store, it usually comes the way that you saw that bag, with tissue paper. You know, they try to, like, you know, kind of package it for you, or just stuff it with something. But yeah, the bag itself just comes like this with no packaging, and usually sometimes you don't get anything, but this one at least has these little plastics here covering these little parts here. Back here, oh, it does have them back here as well. It has them back here. And then on the inside, it did not come stuffed at all. So beautiful colors. Do you guys see the contrast of the beautiful colors? This is super Mickey inspired colors. I love it. The red one, it actually is just black on the interior, but this one, you guys, it's so cute. The detail of this bag is so pretty. So this bag matches my shirt, but as you can see, the print of Mickey here is way larger. So yeah, that is what, so the shirt and this bag are twinsies. They look alike, but they're alike, you know, so it would be cool wearing it. I don't know if it's too matchy, I don't know, but I thought it was cool. Definitely don't need to wear it with this shirt. Obviously I'm not going to be wearing this shirt every time I wear my bags. So yeah, but this is just so pretty. Let me admire it first. I mean, I think it's so cute. In person, it looks so much better than on the website. The website, sometimes the pictures don't do justice for the bags. And when you get them in person, you're like, wow, you fall in love. This is a huge Mickey, like huge. And I love that it's not just white, but it has that contrast of the black detail, like black little polka dots. Like, girl, you wear your red lipstick, you put on your red shoes or whatever kind of shoes, your jeans, your blue jeans, red lipstick, and then this bag, and it just goes. It's just so cute, right? And then also, I love the interior colors are beautiful. It does have the logo hardware here in the color gold. Oh, here is a close-up and the close-up. So the color is, the hardware is color gold, and here is the back, and here is the tag. Tag came a little beat up, as you can see. This one was definitely in the store somewhere, being displayed. Wow, it's so pretty. I want to like have a reason to just go out and wear my bags already, like, come on. Okay, so this is what the interior looks like. It has a big front pocket on the yes, it has a big front pocket, big back pocket, and then the middle compartment is a zipper bag, and then story patch on here. And like the red, electric red Mollie Tote, it also has the brown story patch, except that the interior is black. Let's go ahead and open the zipper compartment. The zipper pull here is beautiful. Of course it says it's Coach on there. It says New York, and then it's a gold hardware. Let's go ahead and open. And it is buttery soft, the zipper. And then you have the interior here, and you can see it better in this tote than the other electric red because it was black. But you have an actual additional pocket here, and yeah, that is what the interior looks like. Gives me kind of McDonald's vibes. I don't know. The red and the mustard, but also Mickey, right? Yes. Why? I must be hungry thinking about McDonald's right now. Anyways, so it comes with this little booklet here, and it just looks like that, and that is what was in that little pocket. And yeah, it has these beautiful, beautiful long straps. These are what they look like. It's so pretty. I love the chalk color. Like, this is my favorite color that Coach came out with. And yeah, that is what the bag looks like. It is so stunning. Guys, that is what this bag looks like. You can see the little peekaboo of the color here, and I love that. I think it looks, I use my hands a lot. You can see the little peekaboo of the color, and I love that. I think it looks so pretty. Doesn't look like anything I've ever, you know, seen out there. It's just a really beautiful bag. I like the detail of everything with the little polka dots, the beautiful, you know, large Mickey, the little peekaboo colors, and it's the red, the nice little mustard color. I mean, it's just such a pretty bag. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And like I said, in my red electric Mollie Tote bag, just looks like this one but in red. But actually the Mickey is not this big. This Mickey is huge. The other one is like in a little square like this shirt. I love the contrast between the black and white. I think it's just so pretty. And as I said, like, this bag can be, you know, multi-purpose. It can be used for anything. It can be used as a diaper bag. It can be used as your traveling bag. You can take it for Disney and carry literally your whole life in here. Like, you can carry, you know, obviously not your whole life, exaggerating, but you know, you can take your lunch, you can take some snacks, you can take your phone chargers, water. You can take a lot, right? It is beautiful. It is so big. I love the detail. You know what I like about this artwork here? Because it reminds me of the old school. It's just very nostalgic with the black and white Mickey. You know how it used to be way back in the day. Anyways, this is such a beautiful bag. If you guys like this bag, I will try to see if I find it, and I'll link it down below. Might not be from the Coach outlet, because as you know, from the Coach outlet, things just, they fly off. So especially when it's collections, when it's a collection, you need to like run and get it, because things just like fly off. So I'm gonna try to see if I find it, and I'll link it for you guys, probably off of Poshmark, Mercari, maybe Coach Outlet website. I'll see if I find it. But yeah, I know the last time, I know if this one came from a store, then that means they don't have it in the website anymore. Also, what you can do, what I recommend you doing, is checking your local outlets and seeing if they have it. And if they don't have it on display, then you can actually ask the essays and just be like, hey, you know, like I was looking for this particular bag, do you guys have it in the back? And that's usually what I do, and they'll go in the back, they check for you, they go upstairs, downstairs, whatever, however your outlet looks like, but they check in the back for you. And sometimes they do have the items and they bring it out for you, and it makes my day. I'm like, yes, thank you. But yes, the Coach outlets, check those. So yeah, and it might be even on a more discount than what I got it for, because I know they went, I think, even to like 70% off. But it was really hard to find. So yeah, but yeah, you guys, that is what the bag looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so we can go ahead and grow the family, you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for my next future videos, because I do have more Disney and Coach items coming soon. Alright, you guys, I will see you guys in my next video, and once again, thank you so much for stopping by. Bye.